That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Fleslet on the beat.
Hi, welcome to Keeping It Real, D.I.Y. Today I'm going to show you a really cool DIY. How to make these fur slides. You might have seen the fashion rounds at the moment, seeing a lot of faux fur coming along. I'm really into that. It's hot stuff. I really want to show you how you can make your own pair. Don't pay $70 plus. We're not made of money. No, I'm going to show you how to make a pair in less than $10. What? Better believe it. All you need is 3 key ingredients. First of all, a feather boa. Second, your hot glue gun. Thirdly, a pair of scissors. Then, finally, slippers. These can be from any store. I got mine from Big W. These are plain slides, cost me $7. $3 left to spend. What are you going to buy with that? Feather boas. Now, the one that I have cost me $8. So, you've spent just over $10 for a pair of slides that look like 70 plus.
Oh, I thought you spent $7 and then you spent $8.
Yeah, I know.
$15?
Did the math wrong. So now that you've got your ingredients, grab your slippers. Just measure how much of this needs to go all the way across. So now, super easy. 1, 2, 3, glue. Then you've got your marker. That's all you got to do. What I love about this is you don't actually have to be that precise. Cut off the extra bits. It's just like cooking, you know?
You've got to be precise when you're cooking.
What do they say? Measure twice, cut once. Pow, 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 pow. You grab your hot glue gun and you go nuts. But don't go too crazy. Yeah. You see that? You got to work quickly. And there you've got it. Stage 1 done. Now you got to do stage 2. What? It's pretty much the same thing. And there you have it. Manicured, beautiful fashion. Keeping it real, D.I.Y.
Sick!
Fleslet on the beat.
You can't just move that candle, it's set.